To prepare the fetal pig for dissection, we are going to first have to stable it. That way, whenever we start dissecting, we have access to everything on the inside. And a trick to doing this is you're going to take a piece of string and tie it around the leg. It doesn't have to be super tight, just enough to keep it stable. I'm just going to go ahead and double knot it real fast. And then I'm going to take the string underneath the dissecting tray and pull it tight, however I desire. And then I will tie the other side onto the other leg. And again, it doesn't have to be super tight, just enough to keep it stable. And if you still think it's a little loose, you're going to take a piece of tape and just however much you need and however much you need to pull, you're just going to tape the string to the side to keep it stable, and you're going to repeat this process for the two front legs.